Good morning. As you can probably tell, I went outside, and this is the result. I feel like I'm out of some kind of... Was it Back to the Future? There you go. Crazy hair, doctor, yeah. Maybe if you're old enough to know what I'm talking about. Ground up some coffee and stick it in a reusable K-cup. And let's get a reusable mug. It is what you call a tad bit windy. We've got about, 30, 40 mile an hour, 45 mile an hour winds. And I'm going to show you a little bit of what that looks like. I'll stick the GoPro on a line and lower it down by the 8-foot waves. So today we'll get ourselves up, get going. There's lights. We have power. I'm running a generator. But that is also what we learned. Run the generator a little bit when you don't have enough sunlight to make sure the batteries stay desulfated. Ready to go back to chemistry class? And make things stay happy. So we're running it right now, and we'll probably be running them for quite a while. What we really need is to go ahead and get the rest of the solar panels up. And to do that, we've got to get some more steel. And to get some more steel, well, you know the answer on that. We got to get it on a boat and carry it out here. It'll be tricky because we're a long ways out here. Steel's heavy. Gel coat on boats doesn't like steel, so we'll wrap it up and keep it really safe. Coffee's ready. Oh, that is some good dark looking coffee. Oh, wow. Appreciate it, Port City. Someone was giving me a hard time for using a sugar cube. Sugar bad for you. Coffee good. Alright, yeah, maybe sugar's not so great, but I figure if I stay away from one soda, I have stayed away from basically 10 of these, so I'll skip drinking a soda and no more coffee. How about I get us a little clip of what the waves look like and hang it on the end of this one. Just make sure you're not driving while you watch it. It's pretty wild out there. It's a lot quieter now than it was because it's almost 30-something miles an hour now. Go first. That's some good coffee. Thank you, Port City. Let's go look at the winds. Sorry, I mean to bounce you around. Dark and gray out. Here we go. $38, $41. And that's knots. So that's a constant, 42. What was that, 46 miles an hour? You wanna feel it? Here we go. Yum. Charging the batteries. Little Honda generator from Honest Engine, guys. Yeah, the coffee is going to have to sit down right here. Wow, that's some wind. And now for the waves.